Hello everyone, welcome to B10X Learning. Hope all doing good. And today we are going to see how to split the paragraph and text in Google Sheets. Okay, because in each and every day we may come across, we need to split the data in a paragraph. We need to split data in a single cell, and that has to be clubbed to the another cell, like various operations we might have come across. Okay, so at that time it will be difficult, right? Unless we are not aware about the VLOOKUP or the Excel macros, it will be difficult for us. And there are views like people used to get scared about memorizing the formulas. They will think, why I should learn this formula? So what they will do, they will just do the manual work. Okay, so in order to avoid all these things, we have brought GPT. Okay, like as I said, GPT is a generative pre-trained transformer. It makes our life easy. Okay, once upon a time, as I said, only engineers can resolve the technical problems, or they only can code. But now it's not like that. Everyone can code, right? The ChatGPT and the AI tools like prompt engineering, these has made our lives very easy, and it has made especially the coders life easy. Okay, so I would request you guys to click the link in the below description, because it will take you to the workshop. And really after joining, you will see lot of benefits on your work, and it will make your earnings 10x, because we are giving only a portion of a demo. But after you enroll, you will come to know the real AI world. You will see how this AI tools has made your life very easy and comfortable. Okay, so let's look into the topic. Okay, so you can see a small .dat file, right? What this .dat file means, it has combined all the information together. Okay, how it will happen means, for example, a company has a website, and he need to download all the customer data. So when downloading the customer data, some websites will give the output in a .dat file. When you are downloading the output, you will get it in a .dat file. So at that time, it will all will be clubbed together. Okay, see, for example, you can see in the first row itself, file not and writing attendance. It are all like a chaos, right? If they give to me, it will be difficult for me to understand what is what. So what we will do, we need to take it to the Excel. We need to, and then we need to get the work done. Okay, there will be scenarios. For example, this last portion. Okay, it will sit in a single cell. From there, we need to break that single cell into further cells. Okay, so without knowing the formulas, without knowing the macros, it will be very difficult for you guys to execute it further. Okay, for that purpose only, GPT has come across with a function called GPT split. Okay, we are going to see that. Okay, let's come into this part. The same thing I have said. Okay, here these are all clubbed together. Imagine these are all datas. These datas I am just made it in an understandable way. Okay, see, for example, here there are many paragraphs inside. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it has come into a single cell. Okay, but your boss or the client is requesting that I want to split these information into different cells. What I will do, if I'm not aware about the formulas, we look up formulas, if I'm getting scared, I will just copy this thing and then I will paste it over here, right? So, but it is very difficult, right? For how many times? Imagine this has only one cell and it has only 5 paragraphs. If there are 100 paragraphs, is it easy? It will be tough, right? For that purpose only, we have come across the function called GPT split. Okay, guys, you should write GPT. So if you have enabled, all these things will come over here, and see, automatically this prompt is coming. Okay, so you need not to by heart any formulas. This will easily understandable. Okay, so I am giving this part. Okay, and I need to split by paragraphs, right? So by, and close the parenthesis. Okay, let's see. See guys, how it has made my life easy. See, this is technology. The first part of this part, it's here. Okay, is in the first cell. the next positive impacts. Okay, this is in the next cell. So it will be easy for me, right? I can take over here and I can paste it somewhere. You may come across, okay, why it has come in vertical, I need in a horizontal. Okay, so because this may not give a useful representation. Okay, just for example purpose I've given. If it would have been a numerical, it will be easy, because any numerical for like example like serial numbers or roll numbers, that will give the output in this way, means it will be easy. Okay, so now what to do if I want to make this value horizontally? Okay, so nothing to do, just in front there is one more option called H. So that is nothing but horizontal split. Okay, let's see. So imagine guys, see how it made our life easy. You need not to worry about any formulas, right? Especially the people who think that I am from arts background, how will I learn such things? So for those type of people, it's like a great tool to move further. Okay, so this first part of technology is been here, and the second positive impacts is here, the negative impacts is here, and the conclusion is here. So like that you can do for a number of things. Okay, so this we have seen. The next part, okay, like the next part will be um for example same way we will deal in another way, the same portion in a different example. Okay, like for example there is a name like Rakesh. Okay, and what we can say, we can keep his age as 34, and he's a male, and he got mark 456. Okay, and next we can keep Suresh a person, his age let's keep 42, and he is a male, and he has scored 789 marks. And let's keep another two more people. Sneha, she is 34 years old, female, and we will keep 987 as the total. And let's Lata, okay, she is 23 years old, a female, and we have given 567. Okay, so imagine guys, like I want for example I am keeping here as a, this is name, age, gender, and marks. Okay, I'm giving, I'll, if I explain over by an example, it will be easy. Okay, name is here, next is age, gender, total. Okay, so I want all these part. Okay, earlier it was like a paragraph, now it is like a spaces, separated by spaces. Now I want the Rakesh to be over here, age to be on 34, the male to be on the gender part, and the 456 to be on the total. Okay, so what I can do means same way. Okay, like GPT H horizontal split. Okay, and I am taking this portion. Okay, and I will give like name, age, gender. Okay, let's see. See guys how Rakesh has come exactly to the name column. 34 has automatically come into the 30 age column. Male has come into the gender column, and the total has come into the 456. So earlier it was like a paragraph, but now it is like a values. Imagine a situation like earlier I said in a dot file, yep, in a particular column, you have received all junk information. Junk means, for example, see, like if you are having SSN number or Aadhaar number, when they are giving you to the public or when they are sending it to the customer, not the actual customer, to some organizations, they won't send the SSN directly. They will mask it. So those type of information, pin code, many information will be clubbed together. So for those type of information or for those type of data, this type of work will help you much more. Okay, now I am just dragging it here. Same. I didn't do anything. So see, imagine guys, how this AI tool is helping us. Otherwise, imagine I need to write a VLOOKUP, I need to write some macros, and I need to club 3 or 4 columns, and it'll be little difficult, right? People who are not aware of or who are not that experienced in Excel, for them it will be tough. Okay, so we have come on to this part, and the next part is like one more example we'll see. This we have seen, and imagine I have want to for like we have seen into format portion. Okay, for example, I have dollar 456. Here I have dollar 750. Okay, and dollar 899. Okay, so imagine you need to convert the dollar into pound. Okay, so what I can do, there is a function called GPT format. Okay, GPT format. Okay, I'm taking this input. Okay, and then I will keep like I need pound sterling, right? Your PNG. Let's wait. See, the pound has come in front. So similarly, you can convert like that also. Okay, you can convert if you want to only. I don't want any a dollar symbol or pound symbol. Just to keep number. The only the numbers will in the it'll display in that place. So similarly, I want to keep, for example, same. If you do over here, you'll get it. Okay, and similarly the same way. Like if I want to give. Yeah, this also we can do. Okay, automatically coming. If you want to add all the numbers, right, you can add this sum and drag this value, you will get into it. Okay, so this is for sum. Similarly, you can do for average. Okay, if at that time you need not to put GPT underscore sum. Okay, so these are little minor information which you need to take. Okay, so same way, if I want to, instead of pound sterling, let's keep Indian rupees, right? Let's see. See, the rupee icon has come. So yeah. So see, from pound we have converted, sorry, from dollar we have converted to rupee. So these are the things, guys. So imagine how it is helping us. This GPT made our life easy, right? First, initial it will be little tough, but going forward, it will make your life so easy. You need not to worry about anything. Okay. So this, let's see. Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed it. And if you find the tutorial helpful, join our workshop at a minimal price from the link given in the description. Okay, it will definitely, it will make your lives easy, because you need not to worry about any formulas or any technical stuff. We have given such that all should be benefited, everyone. It's not only from technical background and not only from finance background. All should be aware about the AI tools, and they must bring their productivity 10x. Okay guys, see you in the next video. Bye bye.